Hi friends, today I would like to discuss about the topic assertive sentence into negative sentence, which is related to Tarsam B.Com student of Tumkur University. Course B.Com, subject English, semester 3rd, topic transformation of sentence, subtopic assertive into negative, presented by Ramesh R. Transformation of sentence, assertive into negative sentence. Learning objectives. First point, students will understand sentence pattern and structure of affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Second point, students will improve the spoken English. Learning outcomes. At the end of the sessions, the students will able to learn identify affirmative sentence, identify negative sentence. The last point, transform affirmative sentence into negative sentence. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence that makes a positive statement, says that something is true or affirmative. Example, it rained all night. Second one, we like sweets. Third one, I will meet you tomorrow. What is a negative sentence? Negative sentence is a negative statement saying that something is not true. Examples, first one, Maria does not drive well. Second one, Smita was not smiling at me. Third one, she will not be watching TV. Affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Note, affirmative sentence are changed into negative ones by adding not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, the show will start in an hour. The show will start in an hour. Not is insert between will, which is an auxiliary verb, and starts main verb. In case of an affirmative sentence that has only main verb, the auxiliary verb do is used, and this is followed by not and the base form of the main verb. For example, first one, Maria drives well. Maria does not drive well. The second one, they like reading. So when we are transfer affirmative to interrogative, the sentence is like that, they do not like reading. The rule number 1, always, never. Always ಅನ್ನೋದು never ಆಗಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಬ್, adjective and noun. If we find the word always in affirmative sentence, we will write the word never instead of that word always and make opposite word of verb, adjective and noun at the time of negative sentence. For example, I will always remember you. Negative sentence ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I will never forget you. Rule number 2, every, no ಹಾಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then opposite words of verb and adjective ಅನ್ನು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು opposite word ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. If we find the word every. In affirmative sentence, we will write the word no instead of that word every, and make opposite word of verb and opposite adjective at the time of negative sentence. For example, everyone loves flowers. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಹೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲವ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, ಎ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೆನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂ in affirmative sentence, we will write the word not or many instead of that word a few at the time of negative sentence. For example, affirmative sentence, I have bought a few books. Negative sentence convert ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I have not bought many books. Exercise, change affirmative into negative sentence. First one, he is always present. Second one, you should always speak the truth. Third one, everyone loves flowers. Fourth one, everyone loves him. Fifth one, he ate a few mangoes. Answers, he is never absent. Second one, you should never tell a lie. Third one, no one hates flowers. Fourth one, no one hates him. Fifth one, he did not eat many mangoes. References, Contemporary English Grammar and Structures and Composition by David Griess. The edition Macmillan. Second one, Modern English by N. Krishnamurthy, edition Macmillan.